chance to own that cute house on the block that people slow down when they drive past. And when you're walking your dog, you have to point at the Tudor with purple door.
As soon as you walk into this house, you'll fall in love with the charm that it offers. All the original woodwork and trim throughout, and you'll find one bedroom, a half bath, and a beautiful sunny kitchen on the main floor.
Downstairs, there's so much bonus space, including a media lounge with a wet bar. There's a bedroom and a 3/4 bath, in addition to a large laundry room that can be used as a craft space. Upstairs, you'll find a master suite with a soaking tub and a walk-through cedar-lined closet. This extra bedroom can be a bedroom, or it could be an awesome dressing space.
Hard to find in the North End, this property offers a spot to park your RV, a detached 2-car garage, and also an extra room that could be used as an additional storage space or a studio.
The character of this Tudor Revival will delight the architectural enthusiast, and the good structure and bones make it a gem. A stone's throw away from University of Puget Sound and right down the street from Proctor.